Hello dear customer, this is Gary from Power Technology, and today I'm introducing you our latest pizza hub. So this is our Australian customer, which we customize a portable pizza hut for them. This product is based on the 20-foot container. So this is a retail hub. You can put it on your trailer and take to the bazaar or market to sell some maybe pizza, hamburger, or whatever. It's just for the retail purpose. So here inside, here's the kitchen area. We have designed a surrounding kitchen, the sink and the operation desk. So, and also when you finish the day, it's very easy to close the container. So here is a fridge, so the customer can very easily grab some drinks. And also we have a shade to when you finish your day, and this is very easy for you to close it. So here's the stair we designed for this product. The customer who can very easily get to the second floor to get a better view. So this is our retail hub. Very welcome to send your inquiry to us. So we will show you more detail about this product. Thank you very much. Hello dear customer, this is Gary from Power Technology. Today I'll show you our latest space capsule. Okay, now let's get inside. So for the entry, here's a smart lock which integrates the fingerprints module inside of it. Okay, on the left hand side, here's the toilet. So inside there's smart toilet, water basin, and also the shower room. So here's a water heater. It's a 5 kilowatts water heater, which can very quickly warm up the water. Okay, out of the bathroom, the right hand side here is the living room, which integrates a small kitchen. So you can see we have already installed the kitchen cabinets and also a small table for dining. Okay, so on the floor, this is SPC material. And also for the wall, we use the aluminum honeycomb board for the wall. This is very expensive material. Okay, and also this part you can see we have a lot of glass inside the house, so we use the low E double layer glass to prevent the heat transmitted into this room. Okay, this is our bedroom, very small bedroom. You can see also the curtain, and also the light can be controlled by the smart home system. We can support the voice control. Hello, welcome to Power Technology latest demo house. Now I will show you the 3 different models of our latest demo. So inside of this park, you can see the finished products after deployment. Okay, this first one is our the most basic unit. It's made by a 20-foot container, and after deployment. So this part here is our Apple cabin. You can make 2-story or 3-story model. So inside of this unit, this is a 1 living room, a studio version, which integrated a bedroom and also a small living room. So behind the camera, here is our bathroom. All the wall panels we use aluminum honeycomb board, and also for the flooring we use the SPC board. So here's the second floor. Also the layout is the same as the first floor one. You can see very easily deployed. So inside of it is the same layout, and also it can be made by a very simple unit. Hello dear customer, welcome to our expandable house. So this is a 20-foot module. You can see the house of this big. So before expansion, this is only a 20-foot container size. So once you get into the entry door, here is a very big living room with the kitchen. And this part here are two small bedrooms. And also the layout can be modified by your requirement. So inside here is the toilet, which supports one toilet version, and also a toilet with a shower room. So all the lights and the water has been pre-installed. So it's a ready-to-use model which can very fast deployed according to your requirements. And also for the bulk order, we have a special discount for this unit. So this is all the introduction for our latest products. So I hope you're interested. And if you like it, please send us your inquiry. Thank you very much. Goodbye.